Hey, what's going on, guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to rank in Google Maps fast. I'm going to explain exactly how to do it. It's a do-it-yourself. You'll be able to do it, so watch this. This video is dedicated to my friend Darren Marion, who passed away November 14th, 2021. This one's for you, kid. I love you. All right, guys, I hope everybody's doing great. So in this video, I'm going to help you rank in Google Maps in anywhere between 4 and 7 days if you just follow my steps. Okay, so let's get started. The first thing we want to do is we want to buy a program called Local Falcon. Local Falcon, let me give you an everyday example. If you were to hurt your arm and went to it and you go to a medical center, the first thing they would do is x-ray your arm, right? They need a starting point. Well, this is a starting point or an x-ray for Google Maps. It lets you know where you're ranking and how far you're ranking out. So, for example, are you ranking just a block or two from your location, or are you going out 10 to 20, 30 miles? Local Falcon will show you where you're ranking. So we're going to come back to Local Falcon, but you cannot do local SEO, Google Maps, Google 3-Pack, Google Business Profile, whatever you're calling it, right? Or whatever it's called these days, without a SEO grid program. I have an affiliate link below. I appreciate it if you use it, but you don't have to. Just go straight to Local Falcon and you could purchase it right through Local Falcon, whichever best for you. All right. So we're going to come back to Local Falcon. So the next thing that we want to do is I've really fallen in love with ChatGPT. And with ChatGPT, what I asked it is, please give me 5 of the best Google business keywords for 24-hour urgent care in Honolulu. And it gave me these 5 keywords. I assume these are the best. Now, look, you could use other programs like SEMrush to have a free 7-day trial, or you could use another program called Ahrefs. There's a lot out there. You may also have a program on your computer. Use that. It doesn't matter. Grab 5 keywords. I happen to like ChatGPT lately because it's giving me great information and it's free. I use the paid version, but you can use a free version as well. Okay? So next, we go to walk-in clinic open Honolulu, right? I put a keyword in there. And what I want to do is I want to see the GMB category, the Google Business Profile category that's associated with that keyword. You're not going to rank for walk-in clinic open Honolulu if you have plumber, for example, or electrician as your GMB category. Okay, so you want to make sure that you have the proper GMB category for each keyword that you select. So we went over to ChatGPT and we got 5 keywords. And let me show you what I did. So I got 24-hour urgent care. That's a keyword. And the GMB category is urgent care center and emergency medical care. And the GMB category is urgent care center. And you'll notice after hours clinic, the GMB category is medical center. And then you'll notice the last one, walk-in clinic, walk-in clinic is the GMB category, right? So you want to make sure for each keyword that you select, and just start with 5 to start with. Hey guys, I hope this video is helping. If you could please give us a like and subscribe to the channel. It helps these videos get out to more people who are looking for this information, just like how you're finding us today. Thank you very much. For each keyword that you select, you have the GMB category. So what do you do next? You go over to your Google Business Profile, right? And the way to get that is just go to business.google.com and click this part right here called Edit Profile, right? So we're going to edit the profile right here. And these are your GMB categories. Now, I'm showing my GMB because I don't like showing my clients' GMBs. I don't personally care about my GMB for my business, right? So you would add the GMB categories, right? The GMB categories in this order, you would just add them to your Google business profile. You see that? I'll do that one more time. These are your Google business profile categories. Add them to your Google business profile categories right here, right? Easy enough? Easy enough. You're just going to click this profile. You already have the list in Word, in WordPad, or you write it down, or you have it in Excel, whichever easiest for you. All right, guys, we're doing great. We're doing great. So now we have the GMB category, right? And we have the keywords, right? We have them right here. In fact, we took the Google's business profile categories and we added them to our Google business profile, right? We added those keywords. Okay, but what does that mean? Well, let me tell you what that means. Anything that you add to your Google business profile, you need to add to your website. So I've never seen this website before, but I'm going to show you how I'd redesign it because I could almost guarantee, oh my God, I could almost guarantee it's wrong. And sure enough, I can't even believe they're ranking. All right, but it's good that they are, and if it's working, great for you. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to, instead of home, this first link are going to be all your GMB categories. You're going to create a page for each one of the GMB categories, right? So you're going to create a page for urgent care center and medical center and walk-in clinic right here. Okay? Then your second set of links are going to be all your keyword pages. So these are your keyword pages: 24-hour urgent care, emergency medical, right? After hours, immediate care, walk-in clinic, right? So you're going to create your second page. These are your keyword pages where it says first aid tips. Those are going to be your keyword pages. It's going to be a drop down, all your keyword pages. Now your third link is going to be your areas we serve. So you're going to see small cities that are several miles away from your city. Don't go all the way. Don't go 50 miles away. Try to go 5 or 10 miles away. Pick 3 to 5 cities, and write a page on each city. Right now, if you don't know how to, if writing really isn't your thing, once again, come back to ChatGPT. And have them, for example, if there was a city called ABC that's outside of Honolulu, say, hey, please write 1,000 words about ABC Honolulu, and please include these words, or please include the population and the weather, and like you really want to get in-depth. So you tell them write an in-depth article, and they'll write a nice in-depth article, okay? After those 3 links, GMB category, keyword pages, and areas we serve pages, whatever you want to put after that. You want to put patient feedback, you want to put first aid tips. I don't care what you put, but the first 3 links: GMB category, keyword pages, areas we serve. After that, you could put patient feedback and contact us. You should always have a contact us page on your website. Okay. And the other thing is, I would have a nice big phone number right here in the credit cards that you take. All right, guys. So we're doing great. The next thing you want to do, and I'm going to put this link in the description below, is you want to come over to Moz. And in Moz, you want to get, let's see, for doctors. Okay. So for doctors, you want to get the closest category, right? And click that. And you want to get in all these citations, all these directories. So you want to go to health grade and you want to fill out a page and put your name, address, and phone number. That's called your NAP. It's also going to ask you for your website address, right? You go to each one of these. These are your most important citations for doctors. These are the top citations for doctors. Now, if you put in lawyers, they would be different. If you put in, people who do lawn maintenance, there'll be other directories that you have to put your business information in. Okay, so you want to put these in by hand. You want to fill out a Yelp page, a health grade, super pages, Indeed, Facebook, right? You want to create a Facebook page about your business, and over there it's going to ask you to put in your name, address, and phone number, right? This is going to verify to Google where you're from, right? Because what Google does is spiders out and says, okay, ABC Healthcare is located at 1010 Main Street. Let's take a look throughout the web and see if they really are. So they go through all these directories and they check your address, and sure enough, you are, okay? All right, so these are about 10 citations. That'll do for the first couple of weeks. Now you want to buy citations. If you're in a position to buy citations, I like this place I've been using lately called Citation Vault, right? There's also Web 20 Ranker, or you could come over to my friends over at Fiverr, and I used to have a seller that was fantastic, but I don't think they sell anymore. And just put in directories or citations right here, and you will get as many citations as you need, right? You could get another, I would say you probably don't need more than 100, but let them know already what citations you already have, what directories you're already in, so you don't double up on them, right? Say, hey, we're already in these 10, we need 50 more, and that'll be good. And every 6 months or so, get another 25. That should be good. This used to be a huge ranking factor, right? This used to be a huge ranking factor. So I end this video by saying you need 3 things. This is how you rank. It's as simple as this. You need a website to say that you're a walk-in clinic. You need your Google business profile to say that you're a walk-in clinic. And you need customer signals, either reviews or they are looking for you on Google, right? They're typing in walk-in clinic Honolulu, and they're coming to you and clicking your website, right? That's a signal. So you need customer signals saying that you are a walk-in clinic in Honolulu. A review is great, right? That's how you rank. That's how you rank. You do those 3 things. You got to always keep those 3 things in mind. Your website, your Google business profile, and customer signals. The customer signal I like so far the most is reviews. I think when customers in your zip code, not outside your zip code, don't buy reviews. But if you could get customers to give you a review and say the service that you provided for them, you're going to rank. You're going to rank if you do those 3 things. Okay, guys, I hope this video helped you. I really try to make my videos very easy to understand, and I make them the way that I would understand them, right? So I hope that you understand them. Now, one of the things that, I make these videos so I could keep your attention, but the thing that the reason why I'm really making these videos is to help you and help your business grow, right? Because I feel if your business could grow, you could do things with your family. Maybe you could put your kids in better schools, and that's what it's all about. It's all about your family. It's all about taking care of people and getting the most for people, right? Doing the most for people. And I know if you're able to build your business, you're able to do that. So if I'm able to make a really good video for you and you're able to grow your business, well, then maybe you're able to send your child to a better college, right? Because you made an extra $30,000-$40,000 this year, right? So we want to get you in the Google 3-pack. That's the thing that's most important. You saw my cell numbers on the website. I mean, on this video, I put on the video several times. So feel free, if you have a question, give me a buzz. I'll be happy to, give me a text rather. I'll be happy to get back to you. I'm very, very happy to get back to you and answer any questions that you have. And everybody have a great day. And I really appreciate you watching. Please like and subscribe, like I said before. Thank you, guys.